Hi, I'm Kyoko and I'm a member of the Cosmos team. I am a Japanese nurse and dancer. I have 25 years of experience in both careers. I am using my careers to develop a preventive care project to create a mind and body that is free from disease. Our health problems are increasing. This is connected to the destruction of nature on our planet. Most of us have qualitative malnutrition and suffer from mental and physical illness. I want to use my nursing and dance career to contribute to the health of people and the planet. I publish what I have learned on social networking sites. I like to learn about life sciences and brain science. I am a qualified nurse, end-of-life care specialist, beauty posture coordinator, yoga instructor and dance instructor. I am particularly good at teaching about physical manipulation. Try excluding Instagram and YouTube. Every day, they provide useful information on prevention. Proper healthcare for each of us reduces wasted resources. We get the nutrients we need and put good microorganisms back into the soil. I believe that the microorganisms in Japanese fermented foods will save the planet. Some researchers have made music by notating the genetic analysis of the microorganisms. This music, the music of the universe and the music of human genes are similar. We are made of music. Diverse sounds make sparkling music. I want to inspire many people with this music. I use my dance career to play love. I want to bring correct nutritional methods, beautiful posture and body use, physical manipulation, music and dance to many people. I want to contribute to society through prevention. I wish for a society where justice and social contribution are profitable. We want a world where each and every life and the lives of all living creatures are respected. Please contact us if we can help you. I want to lead many people to beauty, health, and happiness. Everyone, please call on me when you come to visit Japan. I am going to visit many countries from now on. I look forward to meeting you all.